Good morning guys! Tara, kape! So for today's video, may nakita po akong post coming from Reddit. Chinek ko rin po sa akin kung available na to. However, wala pa akong nakitang ganitong feature sa aking Maya credit card. Well, ano ba to? Apparently, yung napag-usapan natin na installment sa Maya credit card, based on this post coming from Reddit, they are starting to roll out na this so-called mini payment. Ano nga ba itong mini payment na to? Well, this is Maya Bank's take on installment using your credit card. So, you know naman na we have two credit cards coming from Maya Bank. We have the Maya Black and the Maya Landers credit card. And nung nilaunch to, wala pa talagang installment na available. Kasi hindi siya ganun kagandang option to use as a credit card. And then eventually, nagkaroon ng update sa app. Lumabas na maglalabas daw sila ng installment option last year. Tapos hindi natuloy. And then ito daw by February, mag-roll out sila. Which is until 3 days ago, nag-post nga itong isang Redditor natin. And credit sa kanila, and dito sa subreddit na to, for the topic that we are discussing today. Gusto kong gawin natin is ipakita lang sa inyo kung ano magiging itsura ng mini payments. And take note guys, na hindi pa to available to all. As sinabi ko nga, sinilip ko sa akin, wala pa akong nakitang mini payment sa akin. But silipin natin kung ano bang itsura. Okay, so ito, kung mapapansin nyo, ang sabi dito, Maya Black CC Convert to Installment is coming. So ayun, hindi purchase via installment pero convert to installment gradually rolling out. I just saw it while checking my upcoming due date. It's a good thing na din na may option sa app to convert saan sana di mataas ang fee. So kung titingnan nyo, ito siya, under the transaction, makikita yung convert to mini payments. Pag click mo yon, ang nakalagay dito, make big purchase instantly smaller and more affordable with mini payments. Just select the transaction you'd like to convert and turn them into mini payments of up to 12 months. As far as we know, based from the leaks, when you convert to installment, hindi naman siya 0%. Meron siyang 1% na monthly add-on interest. Thus, kung titingnan nyo, hindi pa rin siya katulad ng mga full-fledged na credit card natin. For example na lang, sa isang regular na credit card, may it be BPI, BDO, when you go to a merchant, you can ask them if they have available 0% installment option for you. And then kung meron, directly na when you transact, converted na to installment at 0%. Though we have a caveat there which we'll discuss na lang on a later video. Pero itong kay Maya is that when you use your card, it's always straight payment sa mga merchants. And then ikaw na lang bahala mag-convert using the app. Though masasabi ko na ito ay mas madali versus sa ibang mga banks on how they convert installment. Kasi sa ibang banks, for example, experience ko with HSBC, meron din silang convert to installment ng purchase. However, kailangan mo pang itawag, kailangan mong hintayin yung approval, etc. etc. And same thing with East West, ganun din. Though kay East West, hindi mo naman siya kailangang itawag. Pero maghihintay ka pa rin ng approval ng convert to installment. Dito kay Maya, automatic meron na siyang ganung feature na nasa app na makikita mo rin kung approve na. Though yes, the interest is almost the same din naman sa mga traditional na credit card. Again, credit dito sa Redditor na to and dito sa subreddit for posting this awareness regarding Maya mini payments. Kayo, anong masasabi niyo dito sa credit card installment ni Maya? Yun lang muna for today's video. Again, good morning sa inyo.